Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the best carry-on luggage, perfect for making your travels smoother and more organized. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next weekend getaway, these top picks offer the perfect mix of style, durability, and smart features to fit your travel needs. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Let's dive in. And as always, all product links are in the description below. Number 5. Tillemall 20-inch hardside carry-on. For travelers who demand effortless mobility, durability, and airline compliance, the Tillemall 20-inch hardside carry-on is a perfect companion. With its compact, airline-approved dimensions, scratch-resistant hardshell, and smooth spinner wheels, this sleek black suitcase makes travel stress-free, whether you're heading on a business trip or a weekend getaway. Airline-approved for hassle-free travel. Designed to meet most airline carry-on size restrictions, this 21.25-inch by 13.78-inch by 8.88-inch suitcase fits seamlessly into overhead compartments. Say goodbye to checked baggage fees and long wait times at baggage claim. Glide effortlessly with 360-degree spinner wheels. Navigating crowded airports is a breeze with multi-directional double spinner wheels that provide smooth, silent movement. Tested for durability and performance. Number 4. Samsonite Freeform 21-inch carry-on. For travelers who crave convenience, security, and sleek design, the Samsonite Freeform 21-inch hardside carry-on is a game-changer. Whether you're jetting off on a quick business trip or a weekend getaway, this expandable TSA-approved suitcase offers maximum packing efficiency, smooth maneuverability, and long-lasting durability, all in a compact, airline-friendly size. Perfectly sized for travel convenience. Designed to meet most airline carry-on size restrictions, this 21.25-inch by 15.25-inch by 10.0-inch suitcase fits seamlessly into overhead compartments while providing ample interior space for all your essentials. Number 3. Paravel Aviator Carry-On. Travel smarter and greener with the Paravel Aviator Carry-On Luggage Derby Black, a carbon-neutral suitcase crafted from recycled materials without compromising on style or durability. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a short business trip, this eco-friendly, sleek, and high-performance suitcase is the perfect travel companion. Eco-conscious design with premium materials. Paravel is revolutionizing the luggage industry with its commitment to sustainability. Made from recycled polycarbonate, recycled aluminum handles, and vegan leather accents, this suitcase is as stylish as it is environmentally responsible. Even the interior lining is crafted from 15 recycled plastic bottles, ensuring minimal environmental impact with every journey. Effortless mobility and durability. Glide through airports and city streets with ease. The 360-degree double spinner wheels feature high-quality carbon steel bearings, providing a smooth, silent, and stable ride on any surface. Number 2. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On. For the modern traveler who values efficiency, durability, and premium design, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite Softside Expandable Carry-On Shadow Black is the perfect choice. This feature-packed, high-performance suitcase is designed to make every trip smoother, whether for business or leisure. Seamless mobility with precision glide system. Gliding through airports has never been easier. The 8-wheel MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner system delivers effortless 360-degree movement, while the height-adjustable PowerScope handle with a comfortable contour grip ensures maximum control. No more struggling with wobbly wheels or uncomfortable handles. Expandable packing with smart organization. This 21-inch carry-on may be compact, but it packs a punch with its tapered expansion design, providing up to 2 extra inches of packing space without compromising balance. Number 1. Samsonite Omni PC Carry-On. Travel smarter and stress-free with the Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Expandable Luggage, check large 28-inch Caribbean Blue, a suitcase designed for those who demand both style and strength. Whether you're jetting off on an extended vacation or a business trip, this lightweight yet ultra-durable spinner luggage delivers premium protection, smooth maneuverability, and ample packing space. Built to last, scratch-resistant durability. Say goodbye to scuffed-up luggage. The micro-diamond polycarbonate texture ensures exceptional scratch resistance, keeping your suitcase looking fresh and polished trip after trip. Samsonite's 10-year limited warranty is a testament to its commitment to quality and longevity. Spacious, expandable, and organized. Packing for a long trip? This 28-inch checked luggage maximizes storage with expandable capacity, giving you extra room when needed. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.